Discover Nettle Nature's superfood for a healthier you. Explore the benefits and recipes. In the quest for natural wellness, nettle emerges as an unexpected yet potent superfood, offering a treasure trove of benefits that health enthusiasts simply can't ignore. Often growing unnoticed in the wild, this humble plant is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for a vibrant lifestyle. From nettle tea to gourmet dishes, incorporating nettle into your diet can be both delightful and nutritious, as it supports immunity and reduces inflammation. As we uncover the secrets of nettle nutrition, you'll find it not only enhances personal well-being, but also aligns with sustainable practices through mindful harvesting. Join us on this journey to explore nettle's remarkable impact on health and discover delicious recipes that make this powerhouse herb a staple in your kitchen. Nettle's nutritional powerhouse. Dive into the world of nettle and discover why this often overlooked plant is making waves in the health community. From its impressive nutritional profile to its superfood status, nettle is proving to be a game changer for those seeking natural ways to boost their health. Nettle benefits unveiled. Nettle benefits are numerous and wide-ranging, making it a valuable addition to any health-conscious diet. This versatile plant offers a wealth of nutrients that support overall well-being. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, nettle provides essential antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Its high mineral content, including iron and magnesium, supports various bodily functions. Nettle's anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural choice for those dealing with joint pain or allergies. Additionally, its diuretic effects can aid in detoxification and support kidney health. Nettle as a superfood. Nettle's superfood status is well-deserved thanks to its exceptional nutrient density and health-promoting properties. This humble plant packs a powerful punch in terms of nutrition and functional benefits. Rich in chlorophyll, nettle supports detoxification and helps maintain healthy blood. Its high protein content, unusual for a leafy green, makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Nettle's ability to support hormonal balance and boost energy levels further cements its place among nature's superfoods. Its versatility in culinary applications means you can easily incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your daily diet. Understanding nettle nutrition is key to appreciating its full potential as a health-boosting food. Let's break down the impressive nutritional profile of this remarkable plant. Nettle leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. They also contain high levels of minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. The plant boasts a significant amount of protein, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds like polyphenols and carotenoids. These nutrients work synergistically to provide a wide range of health benefits. Here's a quick breakdown of nettle's nutritional content per 100 grams of fresh leaves. Protein, 5.5 grams. Fiber, 6.9 grams. Vitamin A, 15% of the daily value. Vitamin K, 33% of the daily value. Iron, 14% of the daily value. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the versatile and nutritious nettle. From simple teas to gourmet dishes, nettle can elevate your culinary experience while boosting your health. Incorporating nettle in recipes is easier than you might think. This versatile plant can be used in a variety of dishes, adding both nutrition and a unique flavor profile. Start by blanching fresh nettle leaves to remove the sting, then use them as you would spinach or other leafy greens. They make an excellent addition to soups, stews, and pasta dishes. For a quick and easy option, try making nettle pesto. Simply blend blanched nettle leaves with garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese for a nutrient-packed spread. Nettle can also be dried and used as a seasoning, adding a subtle, earthy flavor to your favorite dishes. Experiment with nettle in your cooking and discover its culinary potential. Nettle tea is a popular and simple way to enjoy the benefits of this nutritious plant. Steep dried nettle leaves in hot water for a refreshing and healthful beverage. For a more substantial option, nettle soup is a classic dish that showcases the plant's flavor and nutritional benefits. Combine nettle leaves with potatoes, onions, and vegetable broth for a hearty and nutritious meal. Both nettle tea and soup are excellent ways to incorporate this superfood into your diet, especially during colder months when you need an immunity boost. They're also great options for those new to using nettle in their cooking. For a quick nutrient boost, add blanched nettle leaves to your morning smoothie. They pair well with fruits like banana and mango, masking their earthy flavor while providing a wealth of nutrients. In gourmet cooking, nettle can elevate dishes to new heights. Try nettle ravioli for a unique twist on Italian cuisine, or use nettle as a bed for grilled fish or chicken. For the adventurous chef, nettle can be incorporated into baked goods like bread or muffins. The possibilities are endless when it comes to cooking with this versatile superfood. Health benefits of nettle. Discover the myriad ways nettle can enhance your health. From boosting immunity to reducing inflammation, this powerful plant offers a natural approach to overall wellness. Nettle for immunity. Nettle's immune-boosting properties make it a valuable ally in maintaining good health. Its high vitamin C content is particularly beneficial for supporting the immune system. The plant's antihistamine and anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate allergy symptoms, allowing the immune system to function more efficiently. Regular consumption of nettle may help reduce the frequency and severity of common illnesses. Nettle also contains compounds that support the production of T cells, key players in the immune response. By incorporating nettle into your diet, you're giving your body's natural defenses a powerful boost. Reducing inflammation naturally. Nettle's anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural choice for those dealing with chronic inflammation. Its ability to reduce inflammation can benefit conditions like arthritis and allergies. The plant contains compounds that inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. This can lead to reduced pain and swelling in joints and muscles. For those seeking natural alternatives to over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications, nettle offers a gentle yet effective option. Regular consumption may help manage inflammatory conditions and promote overall well-being. Beyond its specific health benefits, nettle contributes to overall vitality and well-being. Its rich nutrient profile supports various bodily functions, promoting optimal health. Nettle's high iron content can help combat fatigue and boost energy levels. Its diuretic properties support kidney function and aid in detoxification, contributing to overall health. Regular consumption of nettle may also support healthy skin, hair, and nails due to its high mineral content. By incorporating nettle into your diet, you're investing in your overall health and vitality. As we embrace the benefits of nettle, it's crucial to consider sustainable practices. Learn how to harvest nettle responsibly and understand its role in our ecosystems. Sustainable nettle harvesting is essential to ensure the plant's continued availability and to protect its natural habitats. When harvesting wild nettle, it's important to follow ethical foraging practices. Only harvest from areas with abundant growth, taking no more than 1/3 of the plants in any given area. This allows the nettle population to regenerate and ensures food sources for local wildlife. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the top 2 to 3 inches of the plant, which are the most tender and nutritious parts. Always wear gloves to protect yourself from the plant's stinging hairs. Nettle plays a vital role in many ecosystems, serving as a food source and habitat for various insects and animals. Its presence can indicate rich, fertile soil and contribute to biodiversity. Many butterfly species, including the red admiral, rely on nettle as a food source for their caterpillars. Birds such as goldfinches use nettle fibers in nest building. By appreciating and preserving nettle in its natural habitats, we contribute to the health of our local ecosystems. Responsible harvesting ensures that nettle can continue to fulfill its ecological roles. Advocating for responsible wild foraging practices is crucial as interest in wild foods like nettle grows. It's important to educate others about sustainable harvesting techniques and the importance of preserving wild plant populations. Encourage learning about local plant species and their roles in the ecosystem. This knowledge fosters a deeper connection with nature and promotes responsible foraging practices. Support local initiatives that teach sustainable foraging and work to preserve wild plant habitats. By advocating for responsible wild foraging, we can ensure that future generations can also benefit from nature's bounty. Embracing nettle for holistic health. Discover how incorporating nettle into your lifestyle can contribute to a more holistic approach to health and well-being. From nutrition to sustainability, nettle offers a unique pathway to better health. Blending nutrition and sustainability. The beauty of nettle lies in its ability to provide exceptional nutrition while promoting sustainable practices. By choosing nettle, you're not only nourishing your body but also supporting eco-friendly food sources. Nettle's ability to grow abundantly in the wild reduces the need for intensive farming practices. Its hardiness and resistance to pests make it an ideal crop for organic and sustainable agriculture. By incorporating nettle into your diet, you're making a choice that benefits both personal and environmental health. It's a perfect example of how our food choices can have far-reaching positive impacts. Appreciating nature's bounty. Embracing nettle is about more than just nutrition. It's about reconnecting with nature and appreciating its gifts. This humble plant reminds us of the wealth of resources available in the natural world. Learning to identify, harvest, and use nettle can be a deeply rewarding experience. It fosters a sense of self-reliance and a deeper appreciation for the natural world around us. By turning to nature for our health needs, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Nettle is just one example of the many natural resources available to support our well-being. A holistic health perspective. Incorporating nettle into your lifestyle aligns perfectly with a holistic approach to health. It addresses physical health through nutrition, mental well-being through connection with nature, and environmental health through sustainable practices. Nettle reminds us that true health goes beyond just treating symptoms. It's about nourishing our bodies, respecting our environment, and fostering a deeper connection with the world around us. By embracing nettle and other natural superfoods, we take a step towards a more balanced, sustainable, and holistic approach to health and wellness. It's a small change that can lead to significant benefits for both personal and planetary health.